G'day folks, Craig Barber here, designer and branding expert. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create an amazing logo in under 60 seconds. Are you ready to get started? I thought so. Let's go. Right, let's begin on how you can create your own logo design in just 60 seconds. What I need you to do now is open up any web browser and enter logobly.com. That's logobly.com. Once the website loads, we click on Create My Logo. From here, you'll enter the name of your startup, side project, or business, anything you like. My startup. Click Next. Here we get presented with a selection of categories. These categories are what area your business is in. For example, it could be in marketing, could be in jobs and hiring, news and magazines, productivity. Whatever category that your business, side project, or startup is in, select one of the categories here. For example, finance. Click Next. Here you'll get to choose the font used in your logo. Scroll down, pick whichever font you like. For example, this one. Hit Next. In this screen, you'll get presented with a bunch of lovely colors for your logo. You can choose any of these colors here, or you can select your own. Let's go with a nice finance blue. Hit Next. Here you get presented with all of your logo designs. Scroll down, pick whichever logo design you like. For example, that one's pretty cool. Next, you'll get presented with a full logo package. Here it features all the logos you need for your websites, apps, even t-shirts. If you're happy with the logo that Logobly created for you today, you can check out and download on the next screen quickly and easily. You'll get an email with all your logo files, and you'll also get an instant download link. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you can create an amazing logo for your startup or side project or new company. Visit logobly.com today and get started.